ESI was founded in 1990. Shortly thereafter, we began manufacturing ourselves. And we primarily do metal stamping, tool and die work. We do some screw machine, mechanical assembly, and fasteners.
We build all our own tools in-house. We have 3 CNC machines, 2 wire EDM machines. We got 5 seasoned tool makers out there who are very good, and it's good to have them. They're hard people to find.
We sell to the automotive industry,
Firefighting equipment.
the aerospace industry, whether it be medical or aerospace or automotive safety. We need to build quality into our product, and our customers demand that. ESI is certified to IATF 16949, which is the latest automotive quality standard.
It's like ISO on steroids.
It's similar to ISO. It's built on the same platform, but it's much more stringent in terms of requirements for things like quality and risk mitigation and things like that. Some of these inspection machines that we manufacture here are capable of sorting and inspecting up to 50 million parts per year. They can sort at the rate of half a second a piece or better.
A good team can get something done very quickly, and we've bailed some customers out of some issues where, it would have taken, say, 10 weeks to fully integrate a full inspection system, and we can do it in 2 to 3.
We compete globally, so we need to compete against other companies in our industry in China, in Mexico, other low-cost countries. We do that with technology as much as possible to keep labor out of our process. So we're using technology, we're using automation. We have machines that run 24/7 here, unattended. If you're new to ESI, I think what I'd like a customer to know is that we're very quality focused, we're customer driven, we're very responsive to customer needs, and I think we do a much better job than a lot of competitors in our space just because we are quality driven. It doesn't matter if we're making an airbag bracket or a shoehorn. Everything is driven by quality and customer demands and delivery requirements.
We can pretty much do everything in-house here that we need to do to support our business. What do you guys want to make? Bring it in and we'll do it.